Hey guys, Crypto June here with another video. In today's video, I want to talk again about Entangle. I talked about Entangle in this video 5 days ago. We talked about the upcoming launch, but also about an upcoming giveaway because I partnered up with Entangle and I am able to give away 10 times $100 worth of allocation. Yes guys, you are hearing this correct. I can give away 10 times $100 worth of allocation spot to you. And now you may be thinking, why do I want to join? Because this is one of the most hyped projects in 2024. I will dive deeper into Entangle after this. Because guys, I'm hosting a Gleam campaign where you can participate in. It's completely free. So what you need to do is go to the link inside the description. It's the Gleam link and follow these steps. Just follow Entangle on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, follow my YouTube channel and subscribe, don't forget that. And also join my Telegram group, join the Discord of Entangle and refer your friends. Guys, don't wait any longer. Participate and grab your chance of $100 worth of allocation spot. So let's get back to the website of Entangle because you're probably curious, what the hell is Entangle? So Entangle is a customizable, interoperable data infrastructure built for Web3 and institutions. It's some kind of a very big platform because they have multiple things. So let's start first. They have 35 applications integrated already and they are not even launched yet. So the token is not live yet. Presale is completely sold out. And yeah, we from the Crypto June channel have a little opportunity for you 10 times. And also they are connected with 10 blockchains, 10 different kind of blockchains. And currently their testnet is already live and they did 1.35 million transactions. So this is not a joke project like several meme coin. No, Entangle is a tier 1 project. So power your dApps. What can Entangle do? Like, let's see. Built with Entangle. Entangle is the first place the liquidity vault. Beside that, they have also a photon messages protocol. And if you don't know what it is, you can click on these links and also here. Beside that, they have a Web2 data connectivity. And it's completely customizable Oracle solution to access authentic off-chain data from any source. So it's not only Web3 but also Web2, and also they have a customizable price feeds. So verified data for any dApp. So it's more like Entangle is like the Entangle of the Web3 space. You can connect different kind of blockchains with each other and also applications for Web2, Web3. So it's very high tech and that's what we love. We need new innovative projects in this space. Like I said, smart contracts, you can connect them with both like on-chain and also off-chain, plug and play, their ecosystem, liquidity vaults for Trader Joe. So they have some kind of liquidity locker in a special way and you can do that with the liquidity vault of Entangle. And these exchanges are all connected with Entangle. Also communication, Polygon, all call the network and they are here. Like one of the biggest players in the space. Sai, Arbitrum, Multiverse, Starknet, Linea, Phantom, Avalanche, Mantle. And the price feeds also very good for Gamma, Roax, Carvans, Pinjam. Big players in the space, for sure. And also, you can read some blog posts about Entangle, the roadmap to mainnet, because mainnet is coming soon. And currently on testnet, we saw 1.3 million transactions. It's not a joke, guys. What else can we find? Let's go to the Twitter of Entangle. And guys, I'm so happy to see this. 109,000 followers. 109,000. And they just rebranded from a new look. What else can we see? We see 2 projects that partnered up with Entangle. They're Incubated, the next generation meme coin, incubated by Entangle. And also they have Webverse. It's an alternate reality by Entangle. Also 50,000 followers. These guys know what they are doing, for sure. So, private round. Guys, 13th of February. They're raising 1.3 million. And this is already, like, I think it's going so fast. Like, the previous private sale part is already sold out. But they have right now this round still ongoing. So February 13th, you can also join yourself and try it. 15th February, 14th February, and then the public round on the 15th of February. And the public round is the 20th February of 2024. And I think, because most of the time, after a public round, the TGE is very close. So I expect Entangle also coming very close with the token launch very soon. This is the vesting period, by the way. What else can we find? They host an AMA with Webverse and 18,000 listeners. It's insane. It's insane. Photo message fault. So what can we find out in this image? They have the Entangle photo messages solution and swift transmission process, on-chain data verification, robust data broadcast, and also improved cost of efficiency. So I like this. I like Entangle and what they're building, really. They have also a partnership with Zero. What else? I think, yeah, I'm not a developer, so I cannot describe this in the most efficient way to not developers. But guys, their tech is from a next level. That's the only thing I can say. Like, read the blog post on the website to find out more about Entangle. And guys, again, join the Gleam campaign. The link is inside my description. And also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Crypto June channel, because I have way more opportunities for you in the pipeline. And also, we started only 7 months ago. And in 7 months, we will be able to get 2,000 subscribers to the Crypto June channel. I appreciate it. I see you in the next video. And like, subscribe. Bye bye.